Hello, I'm Sudha. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to discuss about Class 4 English Unit 3 The Language of Birds, Session 4. In the last session, we learned that Ivan was in the forest and after the rain, the mother bird came back. What happened next? Let's see. The teaching bird. Thank you, Ivan. You protected my little children from cold and rain, and I wish to do something for you. Tell me what I can do for you. Do you see the picture here? Both are sitting on the branches of the tree. The bird and mother bird and Ivan. They are talking each other. First of all, the bird said thanks to Ivan. Ivan was surprised to see a talking bird. What a surprise! Ivan answered, You know our language. Will you teach me your language, the language of birds? Stay with me for some days and you shall know it as we do. Ivan remained in the forest for a few days. Remained, that means he stayed back in the forest to learn the language of birds. We knew that because, he wished to learn or to understand the language of birds because, he wanted to know the meaning of the soothing song of the nightingale. Remember? Okay. He learned the language of birds from the mother bird. Ivan returned home happily. He was very happy because this time he could understand the meaning of the song of the nightingale. Okay? Now let's have a word game. Do you see this picture? A lovely bird? Yeah, it's kingfisher. Shall we make some words from this word kingfisher? Let's try. Okay? Now have a look at this glossary. See you in the next session. Till then, bye.